So I'm back with y'all on this hair that I have in my. I've now had this hair in almost a week, and I've washed it twice. I've washed the closure twice, and I washed the hair once. Yes, I washed the closure twice and the hair once. So the hair is super soft. It sheds like, I'm gonna say 6 strands a day. That's what I'm gonna say, 6 strands a day. But I think mostly what's shedding is my closure. That's what I think that is shedding, because I did bleach and I did tint my closure. Okay, so for tangling, it tangles. I ain't gonna say it tangles, it snags in the back. See what I'm saying right here? But this hair is yeah, it snags in the back. That's all. And I think that's just the back bundle. Other than that, it doesn't really tangle. This hair is freshly washed. It's freshly washed, and I just put it into braids. Okay, it's freshly washed. I put it into braids, and this is how the hair looks. It's really flowy. And one thing that you can do to wash all your weave with, if you want it to last longer, is you can use silicone mix. I'm going to insert a video of the 2 things that I use. I use the deep conditioner, and I use the shampoo that goes with it. So using that definitely plays a big role, plays slightly a role on the hair. Yes, make it feel really, yes. I have not straightened it yet. Now I did get it. I'm gonna insert some videos of me on my senior picture day and a couple other days. And the first day I got it done. It's really silky when it's straightened. It's not straightened right now. There's no heat to the hair right now, but I will insert some videos. Right now I'm liking this little effortless look right now. Yeah, but yes, this hair is definitely the truth. Like, I'm loving this hair. Be getting a lot of compliments on it. Yeah, closure's flat, edges laid on it. Like, closure's perfect. The closure came with baby hairs. I mean, like, the closure is probably this big. The closure is pretty big. Like, the closure, it's like that's most of the closure, right? Like, that's the whole closure right there. And like what I have in my hair is 120 and 222s and a 14-inch closure. And yes, and this is Indian straight AA, I think so. Everything will be in the description bar, but definitely y'all should try this hair. It's only been a week review, and the hair is wonderful. And I don't really see a lot of hair videos for this company. I mean, you see a good about 30-40, but it don't be enough. And it's mostly unboxing, not nobody telling you how the hair is or getting really in depth with the hair. This is the hair. I really love it. I'm gonna insert some pictures. It has a beautiful luster, like in the sun, like boom, like yes, this hair is so pretty in the sun. Like, right, it's, you know, it's not even straight all the way, but imagine it straight. Like, this hair would be so pretty. Like, his hair is so pretty. Actually, when I do take this hair out, I do want to try to dye it. I feel like it'll dye well. I feel like it would. But the company, the communication was great. I actually messed up on my order. Yeah, I put in the wrong email address, so I never received my tracking number. But that's on my that's my fault. So I did end up texting them like 2 days before I even, you know, I didn't even think I was gonna get my hair in time. I texted her 2 days before. I was like, hey, you know, I got my tracking number, I put it on here, I told her what inches I had. She dropped the tracking number below, and I gave her my name, and she said, okay. And I said, I need this hair by this day, because I had to take my pictures. She said, okay, we'll tell FedEx. I said, okay. So she told FedEx, and my hair got there the day before, no, the day of. In the game, but 10A, I'm gonna be in the game. makes sense. If that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, definitely y'all go try this hair. The link's gonna be below, and I'm gonna drop the website as well. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see anything else, or whatever other company you want me to try. If you're scared to try it and you want somebody else to try it to see how it is, I'll do that for you. And yeah, I would definitely be doing some hair tutorials with it. I might do like some curls. See a tutorial on how I use silicone mix. You can drop this below, but definitely get this video to 50 likes. And yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.